Greetings from London. We have another nice light. It's the Godox ML60 II. I have reviewed previously the ML60, the original version. Go and check it out on my channel. There's some upgrades here, but in particular, it's smaller. We can reach a maximum of 70 watts. It's continuous light, of course, for your YouTube studios, videos, but also for photography. I use the 60 watts a lot, mainly for all my YouTube videos and a lot of photography and thumbnails as well. So if you're asking yourself, is a 60 watts light enough for my YouTube videos? Definitely it is. It's a bicolor light ranging from 2800 Kelvin up to 6500. What do we find inside the box? A nice padded case, useful as always. You know me, I like to have portable gear, so it's great to have a case, a small suitcase for this as well. We have the ML60, of course, a manual, power cable. We have a bracket, a second bracket, which is also a handle for your battery mount, the cable for your battery mounts, battery adapter, a wipe, and a small reflector, which is very simple to put on, by the way. This is a Godox mount, which is different from Bowen's. So if you have Bowen's softboxes and diffusers, you won't be able to use them on this light unless you buy an adapter. But if you have diffusers already with the Godox mount, then you can use them, as I used to have for the Godox ML60, the first version. So I could definitely use them on this light. Unfortunately, they are in Italy and I'm in London. Otherwise, yes, I could adapt them. If you want to know the price right away, it comes at the moment at around £160. You will find it on Amazon, but also at the links I'm going to leave in the description tab. Size and weight, I mentioned, it's very portable. It has more or less a cube shape, but not exactly. So it measures 8.7 centimeters by 9.20 by 11, and the weight is 525 grams. In terms of the body and the build, it's mainly made of plastic. We have a cooling system above and under the body of the light. We have two dials, one for the dim and one for the temperature, and the power button right here at the back. We have a power port underneath the body and a 1/4 inch screw thread to attach the light to a bracket, for example. And we have a display at the back of the light to monitor your settings as well. I mentioned it comes with a bracket, which is right here. So the bracket can be mounted in two different ways, vertically, as you can see right now, but also horizontally. In the bracket, you will also find a hole to insert an umbrella. In terms of power options, we have three. There's a port under the body of your light. But as I mentioned previously, we also have another bracket, which is a handle that can be used with a battery adapter. You're simply going to insert your handle inside the battery mount. Now here you can use Sony batteries NP970, which I wasn't supplied with, so I can't show you the light to be working with the batteries, but that's what I've been told. The third option to power your light is via V-mount batteries, but you need to purchase a separate cable and an adapter as well. It doesn't come with that option, but still you have two options out of the box. We also have another hole under your handle to place the light on a stand. Then you simply take the cable supplied with the light and you connect the battery mount to the light. Interesting thing also in the battery mount, you have this bracket that spins around, and I think it's a support, and you can use now your handle as a tripod. It actually looks really good as a table light as well. And I'm using one on my side bed table. How do we control the light and the settings? First option, through the buttons at the back of the body of the light. There's a power button right here, power switch. Your light will turn on, and simply we have the two dials now to operate the light. So the one on the right is the actual power, and you will hear straight away the fan going on. We are at 100% right now. It's pretty good. Let's turn it down and I show you the other dial, which is the temperature. And you can change from 2800 to 6500 Kelvin, as we have mentioned before. By pressing the power dial, we switch to the effects. Because yes, we have 11 built-in effects. You can change the intensity. And now within the effects, with the dial of the temperature, you will change the actual effects. And they vary from candlelight, TV, broken bulb, linings, SOS, and so on, fireworks, and you name it. To switch back to CCT mode, you press the dim button again. We also have other functions, for example, settings, the Bluetooth settings, which we'll be needing if we want to operate the light via the Godox Light app. By holding the dim button, we will switch to the settings modes. You can access to the Bluetooth, for example, and you want to have it on. A Bluetooth icon will pop up at the top of your screen here. Now, the first thing you want to do, you need to reset the Bluetooth connection. So via the dial, you scroll through and you will find a text saying reset. You want to press that. The second option to control your light is via the app. So you want to go on Google Play or the iStore and look for Godox Light app. Now we can go inside the app. You need to sign up. Unfortunately, you want to sign up with your mobile phone and you will receive a code, a login code to type in. You choose a password and you sign up. You will need to turn on the Bluetooth and the location, as with many other devices in these days. Under Scenes, you will find the plus button. You want to click on that, create a new project, and then you go inside the project. There's another plus button at the bottom of your screen. You click it and you add fixtures. Now your phone, your app will find your Godox ML60 II. You select it, confirm it, and now you will be pairing the device to your app. Pairing successful, we close it, and if you click on the green button now, you can operate your light via the app. On and off, you can go inside your light, change the temperature via the dial here. You have some custom temperature buttons already, the intensity at the bottom, and also if you scroll, you will go to the effects and select your effects and change the settings that you wish to change. Simple as that. And that's it about the Godox ML60 II Bi for today. I think it's a great light, especially I refer to portability. If you've been following me for a while, you know I love portable gear. So definitely recommend it. It's tiny and light. You have a reflector already on. You have a couple of options in terms of brackets and power options. It's great to be portable also in terms of having the batteries. So if you want to shoot something outdoors, you can do that without carrying any extra power cables, adapters, or generators. So good options there. Check my channel for other lights, other brands as well. A lot of stuff coming up soon. Thank you once again for subscribing. We have reached 60,000. So that's all thanks to you guys. Of course, subscribe, hit the like button. Leave a comment down here, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.